talk to me a little bit about data, because from your perspective, I know you guys take transactional data, take time series data, and you bucket it, if you will.
Right.
Why is it important to be able to batch it or pull that in real time?
Yeah, so telemetry data is really the core of the factory data, right? It's the settings and the recorded data coming off the machinery. The challenge is that you need to add context to it. So you need to know where it is, you need to know what job you're working on, you need to know if there are any alarms or activities going on at the same time. Well, all that data is in the MES. So to be able to pull transactional data out of the MES system and mix it in real time with the telemetry data, that adds the context. To give you another example, if you're doing predictive maintenance, then that data, context is in the CMMS system. So what we find is that the raw telemetry data is core to all these use cases, but we need to contextualize that based on the consumption, based on the consumer. Who's going to be using it? What domain are they coming from? Is it the maintenance, the production monitoring, the quality? And then we contextualize it with the systems that they have in place for that. And then by merging that together, it's very easy. You can merge it into, say, a data lake, and you can really put it to use using a lot of different analytic techniques, dashboarding techniques, different applications.